I think Mr. Waweru.
Judge George Odunga observed that issues raised by the applicant NASA are weighty and touch on the Constitution, which has to be determined by a 3-judge bench.
I'll direct the registry to have a folder so that actually the parties who want to file their documents will file their documents in that folder while this matter is going to the Chief Justice.
Odunga allowed Dr. Ekuru Aukot, a presidential candidate, Attorney General Professor Githu Muigai, and Samuel Waweru to be enjoined in the case. The matter is expected to be heard on the 27th of June.
The circumstances of this case, as well as the issues to be canvassed, raise substantial questions of law under that particular article.
But IEBC has already indicated through its counsel Kamau Karori that it will seek a preliminary objection to the application on grounds that the contract has already been executed.
The leave cannot be granted for that which would be against the law.
The opposition says that the decision to award the 2.5 billion shillings tender to Ghurair printing firm violates the legitimate expectation of NASA. It argues that the move was actuated with ulterior motives. NASA claims that IEBC misapprehended the law. It argues that unless the orders sought to quash the award are granted, the rights of millions of Kenyans to free and fair electoral process shall be irreparably prejudiced.
It does appear that the respondent were moving towards a predetermined position.
The application by NASA seeks orders to compel IEBC to reconsider the tender issued to the Dubai-based company and take into account the views of relevant stakeholders with regard to the tender. Enock Sikolia, NTV.